Welcome to DevTrino. Today we would be looking at a walk and earn application named StepCoin. Well, talking about the application, it has certain limitations like you could get coins only for the number of steps that you have walked, that is 15,000 steps. You could earn 15 coins. Additionally, you can earn 40 extra coins for inviting a friend, but you have to make the friend walk 40,000 steps around to get the 40 coins. Well, talking about the store, it has a really excellent store, and talking about the prices, it's absolutely good. Let's check out the store. Well, the first thing that I like in this store is what you can get in a year. They have presented a section itself where you can find the things that you can get in a time period of a year. Well, this includes around 11 to 13 items which you can get within a year. Let's check out few products. Well, talking about the t-shirt, you can get it within 2 months period of time. Well, I would like to redeem a good product, so I am waiting and trying my level best to collect a few more coins. And talking about the other electronic products available are headphones like the Bose companies, bass sets, and you could even find some good earphones in this. Well, talking about other types of earphones, they have earpods like the Bose AirPods and few other products like the phone. Let me show you. Well, they have a long-term motivation page where you can find that there are 2 smartphones, and well, it would take you around 2 years to get Samsung phone and 3 years to get an iPhone. Well, if you could hit the limit daily, you could actually get it really easy. And talking about the other things are speakers, and I really find these 2 speakers exciting, and I feel I would be able to redeem a product soon, and I will post an video that I have received a product as soon as I redeem it. Well, one more thing that I would like to tell you is you could get daily rewards in the home section. Let me show you. Well, there is a daily reward type section here. It is get coins, and you will be shown an ad. Well, the timer resets after 1 hour, so you could watch around 6 to 7 videos. Well, the limit of get coins is 10 videos, and you can get 10 additional coins. So calculating, you would have around 10,000 coins at the end of the year, and it would take around 2 to 3 years to redeem a really good product. And talking about the app, well, the app is regularly updating, and therefore it is a good sign that the app is really legit. And for more walk and earn videos, please like, share and subscribe, and do click the bell icon for more notifications.